it's Natalie of WTI, and this is my son's new favorite activity gym from WoodandHearts. He loves playing on this activity gym. As a parent, I want a toy that's going to be really fun for my son, but that I know he's going to be safe. This toy is so sturdy and so well made. You can see up close how well the screws are in the toy, and everything is nice and sturdy, so I know that my son's not going to fall while he's playing on it. This is the perfect gym if you want to give it as a gift or even for your own little one, because sometimes you can't always be outside, and if it's raining or snowing, they can easily come inside and play with this toy for hours on end. Now that my son has had this toy, I've noticed that his hand and eye coordination has improved so much with this toy. He loves climbing all over this activity gym. I really appreciate how easy it was to build this activity gym. Everything came labeled. I even appreciate that if you don't have a lot of room, you can easily move the pieces. So if you only want one piece of the gym out, you can easily have that piece out and store the other two pieces. And it's really easy to move from room to room. So I really feel that this activity gym is such a great investment, because not only is it a toy that your child's going to have so much fun with, but it's also going to help develop fundamental skills. So if you're looking to invest in activity gym, definitely check out this one from WoodandHearts. That's my point of view.